In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Figma files in Figma 2025. Whether you're transitioning projects or collaborating with a team, knowing how to seamlessly import files can enhance your workflow significantly. So let's dive into this simple yet essential process. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to Figma at figma.com. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that has become a mainstay for designers around the world, enabling them to create and collaborate in real time. Once the site has loaded, you'll be greeted with Figma's clean and intuitive interface. Next, you'll need to log into your Figma account. If you already have an account, simply click on the Log In button, which is strategically placed on the homepage. Enter your login credentials and you'll be seamlessly transported to your personal dashboard. This is where all your past, present and future projects can be accessed. If you don't yet have a Figma account, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process that involves providing your email, setting a password and verifying your identity through a confirmation email. Once you're in, it's just a few clicks to access everything you need. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your Figma home screen. This is your central hub for all things design related. From this page, you can see recent files, start new projects, and crucially for us today, begin the file import process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're a newcomer. Knowing your way around this interface will make your experience much smoother. Once you're comfortable, look for the File option in the upper menu, click it and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu you'll find the Import option. Click on Import and Figma will prompt you to choose the location from which you'd like to import your file. For this demonstration we're focusing on importing directly from your computer. So select Import from Computer from the options provided. This will open a file dialog window, allowing you to navigate through your device's directories. Here, you'll want to locate the specific Figma file you intend to import. These files usually have a .fig extension. Once you've found the right file, simply double click it or click the Open button. And there you have it, your Figma file is now imported and ready for you to edit or collaborate on within Figma 2025. This process is designed to be straightforward, enabling anyone from beginners to seasoned pros to transition files effortlessly. As a tip, keep your files organized on your computer so they're easy to locate during the import process. And remember, importing files is just one of the many powerful features of Figma that can help optimize your design projects. Until next time, happy designing!